Imagine an animal that cries, an animal that hugs its friends, an animal that never forgets your face. This is not a cartoon. This is real. This is an elephant. Read on. You will be surprised. The elephant is the biggest animal on land. How big? One elephant weighs as much as 3 cars. It is as tall as your room. When you stand next to an elephant, you feel very, very small. But you do not feel scared, because the elephant looks at you with kind eyes. Big, soft, kind eyes. This animal is not just big. It is also very smart. Did you know the elephant has the biggest brain of all land animals? 5 times bigger than your brain. 5 times. So when an elephant looks at you, it really sees you. It thinks about you. It remembers you. For 20 years. Maybe more. Let us talk about the trunk. The trunk is the most amazing thing. It is a nose, yes. But it is also a hand. It picks up small things from the ground. It picks up big trees too. It drinks water and puts the water in the mouth. It makes loud sounds to call friends. And when 2 elephants are happy to see each other, they hold trunks. Just like you hold hands with your best friend. The trunk has 100,000 muscles inside. Your whole body has 650 muscles. So the trunk is stronger than your whole body. At the end of the trunk, there are 2 small fingers. The elephant uses them to pick up very small things. Very carefully, like you pick up a small coin. Did you know there are 2 kinds of elephants? African and Asian. The African elephant is bigger. It has very big ears. The ears look like the map of Africa. The big ears help the elephant stay cool. Hot blood goes into the ears. The wind makes it cool. Then the cool blood goes back into the body. Very smart. The Asian elephant is smaller. Its ears are smaller too. Its back looks different. If you see 2 elephants together, you can see the differences. It is not hard. The tusks are long white teeth. They grow outside the mouth. They never stop growing. The elephant uses them to dig in the ground for water. It uses them to move trees. It uses them to stay safe from danger. But the tusks are also a problem. Bad people hunt elephants for the tusks. Ivory is very expensive. This is very sad. Today there are only about 415,000 wild African elephants left. We must protect them. They need our help. Now let us talk about food. The elephant eats for 16 to 18 hours every day. Almost all day and all night. It eats grass, leaves, and small trees. It drinks 160 liters of water every day. That is a lot of water. To find food and water, it walks more than 50 miles in one day. That is a very long walk. Every day, the legs look slow, but an elephant can run very fast, up to 25 miles per hour. You cannot run that fast. So if an elephant is angry, do not stay near it. Walk away, slowly and calmly. The feet of the elephant are very interesting. Under each foot there is a soft pad, like a big cushion. This helps the elephant walk very quietly. A very big animal, but very quiet steps. You can stand in a forest and not hear an elephant near you. This is hard to believe, but it is true. Elephants live in family groups. A group is called a herd. In one herd there are about 10 to 12 female elephants and their babies. The leader is the oldest female elephant. She is called the matriarch. She is the grandmother of the group. She decides everything. Where to go, where to drink, where to sleep, She knows all the safe roads. She remembers water places from 30 years ago. Her memory keeps everyone safe. Young male elephants grow up in the herd. But when they are about 10 years old, they leave. They go alone or with other young males. Life is harder alone. But this is normal for male elephants. Now here is the part that will touch your heart. Elephants feel things. Real feelings. Like you. When a baby elephant dies, the mother stays next to it. She does not leave. She touches the baby with her trunk. She makes soft, quiet sounds. The whole family comes. They all stand together. They touch the baby gently. They stay for a long time. Scientists watch this and say it looks like a human funeral. Because it is the same thing. Saying goodbye to someone you love. When an old elephant dies, the family comes back later to the place where it died. They touch the bones with their trunks. They stand quietly. They remember. No other animal in the world does this. Only elephants. And humans. Elephants also help each other. If one elephant is hurt and cannot walk, the others stay with it. They stand next to it so it does not fall. They bring food. They bring water. They do not go away. This is not something they must do. This is something they want to do. This is love. Simple, real love. Did you know elephants can see themselves in a mirror? Most animals cannot. A dog sees a mirror and thinks it is another dog. But an elephant looks and knows, that is me. Only a few animals in the world can do this. Elephants, dolphins, and some apes. It means the elephant knows it is alive. It knows it exists. That is a big thing. Elephants also talk to each other in sounds. Very low sounds. So low that you cannot hear them. But other elephants can. These sounds go through the ground. The elephant feels the sounds in its feet. Yes, it listens with its feet. A friend can send a message from miles away. And the elephant feels it. Under its feet. Under the ground. Like a secret language. Wild elephants live 60 to 70 years. In that long life, the elephant walks thousands of miles. It has babies. It loses friends. It remembers everything. Every road. Every river. Every face. The elephant never forgets. Never. The next time you see an elephant, stop. Look at it. Look into its eyes. You will see something special there. Something calm. Something wise. Something that feels the world very deeply. The elephant is big, but its heart is even bigger. It shows us that you can be strong and kind at the same time. It shows us that love does not need words. It shows us that memory is the most powerful thing in the world. Now you know the elephant. And maybe, somewhere far away, an elephant remembers you too.